This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling 3 sports candy wrappers. I had a request for golf and baseball, and then I decided to also add in a hockey. So this is pretty quick and easy. These I'm just rubbing along the edges of my baseball bat. I don't want to do it over my mat because my ink pad is shedding, making a mess. Okay, so you just want to fold the base of the wrapper on all the score lines. If you wanted to, you could glue one edge of this shut and then just slide the bar in and slide it out. You want to do the shorter end on the inside. So that is an option. You don't have to do that. Okay. So there is a piece for the base. We're just going to put that on the front. Because this is so long and narrow, I couldn't think of much to do with it. So I just did 2 baseball bats. And then I'm going to glue these into place. Then kind of counting on the belly band to be the other part of the decoration for this one. Then your baseball, you just glue these 2 pieces together. And I'm going to pop the ball up with a piece of foam tape. And then that's the belly band. So that's really cute. That would be cute for an end of season treat or just an after game treat. You see how quickly it can go together. So you can do up enough for the whole team pretty quickly. Use your team colors. Bam, the kids have a cute little treat to take home. Now the golf. Again, you just want to fold this on the score lines. You will see on this one that you have this piece here hanging over. That lets you know where the front of this is. You just want to eyeball this all the way around. And line this up using the handle. There you go. And then put your clubs in place. So again, it's pretty quick, even with these extra pieces for this one. They still go together very quickly. So make a fun little Father Day treat. And glue this in place. Then your golf ball for this one is your belly band. So we're going to put our golf ball together. A fine tip glue bottle would come in handy for that. And I'm just going to take my ink pad and I'm just going to rub it around the edges. But I'm going to do it over my trash can. And I think I want to pop this one up too. When you put these belly bands on, you don't want to do it too tight because you need to be able to slide it off and on. Or what I've been thinking about lately is I have noticed at Dollar Tree they have some Velcro circles. I'd almost rather close this up with a Velcro circle than you could make it tight. So there's the golf. And then I decided, again, to do the hockey. And yes, as you can tell by my colors, my husband is from Pennsylvania, so he is a Penguins fan. And I did cut this in their colors. And I was thinking and thinking, what could I use to represent hockey? And what else but the Stanley Cup? So I've got 2 accent pieces that I'm going to, again, just rub the edges just to give it a little bit more, to make it stand out a little bit more. Okay. And I looked for my mirror paper, but all I had was gold. I didn't have any of my silver mirrored paper left. Wouldn't that be cool to do this with your mirrored paper? I'm also going to rub the edge of my emblem. So there it is. And then I didn't get out my white ink. Oh, good. I'm glad it wasn't too hard to find because I'd like to ink the edge of this with white just to make this stand out a little bit. So then we just glue our hockey puck to our belly band. There we are. Okay, so there is the hockey, the golf, and the baseball candy bar wraps. Thank you for joining me.